Hey guys, welcome back on our quick how-to. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Google Authenticator. First, you're going to download your Google Authenticator on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Next is you're going to open it by clicking the Open button. The first page, you're going to see the stronger security with Google Authenticator, simple setup using your camera, a unique code used to sign in, and cloud syncing. You can start by clicking the Get Started button. You are then asked to choose from any of the email address that is logged in on your device. You can also choose another account by adding it, or even use the Authenticator app without an account. So I chose the email account that I'm going to use for this video. And you can see here on the bottom right side the plus sign. Click it, you can see and enter a setup key if you want to do it manually. Type in the account name, your key, and then type of key. For the type of key, you're given two choices, which is time-based or counter-based. Or you can have it automatically by clicking the plus sign button again and enter scan a QR code. You will be then asked to access your camera, click OK, and then you can start scanning. That's it guys for today's quick how to use Google Authenticator. See you on our next one.